In the bustling world of technology, staying powered up is crucial. The ESR Kickstand wireless power bank emerges as a beacon of convenience, blending cutting-edge wireless charging with unmatched portability, design, and functionality. The ESR Kickstand wireless power bank is a marvel of design, boasting a sleek, compact form factor that belies its robust capabilities. With a 10,000 mAh capacity, it promises to keep your devices charged throughout the day. The power bank's standout feature is its innovative kickstand, which allows you to prop up your device for hands-free viewing while it charges. Wireless charging redefined. Gone are the days of fumbling with cables. The ESR power bank features Halo Lock technology, providing a MagSafe-style wireless charging experience. Simply attach your phone to the power bank, and it begins charging instantly. This magnetic lock system ensures a strong, secure connection, so you can charge on the go without worry. Dual charging capability. Why choose between charging your phone or your power bank? With pass-through charging, the ESR Kickstand power bank lets you do both simultaneously. This means you can keep your phone topped up while the power bank recharges, ensuring you're always ready to face the day. Built for the modern user. The ESR Kickstand power bank is designed with the modern user in mind. It supports a two-way USB-C port, allowing you to charge additional devices or recharge the power bank itself via cable. Whether you're an avid traveler, a busy professional, or simply someone who appreciates convenience, this power bank is tailored to your needs. Sustainable power solution. In an era where environmental consciousness is paramount, the ESR Kickstand power bank offers a sustainable solution to your charging needs. By reducing reliance on disposable batteries and promoting the use of renewable energy sources, it aligns with a greener lifestyle. A standout feature, the kickstand. The adjustable built-in kickstand is more than a mere accessory. It's a game changer. It transforms the power bank into a stand, perfect for video calls, watching movies, or browsing the web, all while your device charges. This feature exemplifies the fusion of functionality and innovation that ESR stands for. Reliability and safety. Safety is a top priority for ESR. The kickstand power bank is equipped with multiple safety features to protect against overcharging, overheating, and short-circuiting. You can trust this power bank to deliver reliable performance without compromising the safety of your devices. The verdict. The ESR Kickstand wireless power bank is not just a charger, it's a statement. It represents the intersection of technology and lifestyle, offering a seamless, efficient, and stylish way to keep your devices charged. With its robust features and forward-thinking design, it's clear that ESR has crafted a power bank that stands out in a crowded market. Conclusion. As we navigate a world increasingly dependent on technology, the ESR Kickstand wireless power bank positions itself as an indispensable tool. It's a testament to ESR's commitment to innovation, quality, and user experience. For anyone looking to streamline their charging process and embrace the wireless revolution, the ESR Kickstand power bank is the answer.